Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to set shared spaces and spending limits in one tap on N26 EU. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So frankly speaking, N26 does not offer a one-tap feature to set up shared spaces and spending limits simultaneously. Both features require separate steps within the app. So first of all, you need to set up your shared space. So you need to go to your N26 app or website and go to Finances tab. And once you are there, you need to go and tap on New Space. Now select the Sharing Money option, enter a name for the new space, and choose the participants you want to invite from your contact list. Read and accept the N26 shared space terms of use and grant power of attorney. Now to set your spending limits, you need to go to the cart limits section and tap on limits. Now you need to tap on transfer limits to simply control everything about your limits in the card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.